Hey guys, Scott here. Just went on a quick run and was just thinking about yesterday and how I struggled to repair a flat tire. And why am I explaining this to you guys? Because I want to relate it to affiliate marketing. And not only that, but just like overall entrepreneurship and making money online and the struggle of owning a business, okay? So yesterday, there's a vehicle that I had that it was a flat tire. And I thought, okay, well, what I'll do is just air it up with an air compressor. And as soon as that's filled up, then I'll swing over to the nearest tire shop and have them repair the leak, and we'll be all good to go. So sure enough, I spent some time. I was able to grab the hose to the air compressor and I put it on the little nozzle and started airing it up. And it's a little hard because I got a handle here and a hand here to push it up against the little stem. And 3 minutes go by, my hands are kind of getting, little, it's just hard and fatigued a little bit. So then I reposition and it wasn't working and kept filling it up. I'm like, okay, I just need to be patient. I just need to wait this out. Like there's a principle within this. I know I'm gonna like find the answer here, and I can like do a YouTube video about it. This is literally my thought process as I'm trying to fix this tire. Just so simple, right? So I put the hose up again and keep holding it, time, just not working. It's fatigued and I'm like bending my knees and I'm like, okay, all right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the car keys and I'm gonna pull it forward a little bit and then I'm gonna air it up again. Maybe for some reason like I just literally kept looking at the tire to see if it was inflating at all. And I was like trying to like focus on like a little point on the tire, on the bottom of the tire to see if it was like gently increased. And like nothing. I'm like, what the heck? Like, what is this? I'm like, no, this is gonna work. I just gotta keep airing it up and then I'm gonna like have this aha moment of like the principle is like patience. So like I literally tried like 5 different times just by airing it up and like that did not work. Crap, like what am I gonna do? Like I can't drive on this. So sure enough, I pulled up forward, and when I pulled up forward, the tire went like underneath the wheel, and I'm like, oh, I cannot scratch this wheel. That'll be bad. And so I instantly, like once I figured that out, I stopped the car. I'm like, okay, I gotta lift this up on a jack and take the tire off. So the jack that we have, it's not one of those big ones. You go, it's like a smaller little one that I can go up and down. It's not a bottle jack. It's kind of in between. So long story short, I started doing that, and I was doing it, and it's doing pretty good. When I reached the top, the tire wouldn't come off. I needed like more height. So then I went and got some like 2x6 boards, and I put those up on the jack, and I did it again, and I like repositioned it, and it was on there wrong. And so then I lowered the jack again, I put it back up, and I literally like had to do this jack thing like another 5 times. Like, man, this is just taking a lot of time. Like, how come this is so hard? And I think a part of it was like, I want to be careful. I don't want to ruin the car. I don't want the like car to come slamming down. I don't want the jack to like slip and then it breaks. And then, so there's a little bit of fear instilled in me, and I wanted to get the job done right, but I also wanted to get things done quickly. Well, we all want results fast. We always want a quick fix. And I know this is kind of a long story, but like literally it just kept taking me a long time. I would get it right, and then things would start slipping. So finally, I was able to get the jack up all the way, and I was able to unbolt the bolts, and was able to take the tire off. And from there, I didn't have the right tools to fix this hole that was in the tire. So what did I do? I went to the nearest tire shop, had them repair it. I was able to put it back on the car, and everything was good to go. And I won. I had success. It was great. But was it easy? No, it wasn't easy. It was hard. I had to think. I had to have the right tools, and not only the right tools, but I had to have like the right kind of mindset too. Like it was kind of getting to me a little bit. I'm like, what the heck? What's going on? And I thought about it, I'm like, maybe I could have done this a little bit faster with the jack and not worried that it would have slipped, and maybe I could have like lifted it up higher. And that's something we can apply right now to affiliate marketing. Like, you might be worried or thinking, I'm fearful that everything's not just right. Well, sometimes you just gotta like trust in the process and do it. Like, create the YouTube video and start doing affiliate marketing. Write that blog, post that post on Instagram or Pinterest, and get it out there. Create a domain name and just get stuff out there, guys. And you might start doing things one way, and you're like, okay, where are the results? I'm being patient. I'm keep doing this, keep doing that. Well, you got to pivot, just like I had to pivot. Like the filling up the tire with the high pressure air was not working. Like, the hole was just too big, and I didn't know that it was too big. And like, as much air as I put in there, no inflation at all. It just was not increasing. So same thing with you guys. Like, you might be doing too much of one thing that might not be working. So it's right to have the right programs. It's good to have the right coach, the best content, to have the right mindset, to have the right programs in place. And if you have that, then it will help expedite the process. So from the very beginning of my whole tire thing, maybe it would have taken me the same amount of time to figure out that the air wasn't going to fit. But now that I have experience with this, I would probably try to like take 2 minutes to air it up. And if it didn't work, then I would go get a jack. Now, if I could get a big jack, one of those big like industrial ones, I wouldn't have to worry about it slipping. I wouldn't have to worry about like putting those boards underneath, all that stuff. It would just work seamlessly, and it would work awesome. And I could have gotten the work done probably in a third or fourth amount of time. So now that I now know that, I will for sure do that next time. Well, guys, there's probably huge professional online earners, entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers that see that light. They've had experience. They're like, oh my goodness, it took me so long to do this. If I would have had this, it would make it so easy. So I'm kind of newer to the whole space. I'm trying to figure things out. I'm right in the middle of that course. I'm going up and down, and I'm seeing some results and I don't, and I've got to pivot. Well, I do think that I've got some really good mentorship. I think that I'm understanding the process, the action steps. I think I've got the mindset and mentors, those types of things. I think I've got in place, and it's taken me a journey. And if you'd like to expedite your journey a little bit, I have a link below, and it's not like this crazy thousands of dollars product. It's only $7, guys, $7 to kind of get an idea of what affiliate marketing is. And then it kind of teaches you about that mindset, and also to learn how to not only just sell anything like little things on Amazon and get a few dollars here and there, but to how to promote the right products to get big commissions. We're talking big commissions, okay? This is called high ticket affiliate marketing. So you can learn all this stuff from my mentor, Joshua Elder. All you have to do is click the link below, and that'll take you there, and it's $7 to sign up. So guys, thank you for hearing me out, my little analogy about airing up the tire and how it took me a long time, and how we can apply that to affiliate marketing and take a few shortcuts. Like, if I would have known now what I know now, I could have done things a lot faster. We can also apply that to affiliate marketing, the things that the gurus, the pros, the people that have had experience know. We need to listen to them, apply the stuff that they're learning. If we can, then we'll get there much faster. Guys, thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.